This is another house on Valley River, and completely total roof. Yeah, whole bunch of twisted trees. We got GME AC Insurance there. Got their building.
Dollar store.
Dollar store amazingly
okay.
Survived here. Coming up to Big Lots. Now I heard that Big Lots and Brothers had some damage, so let's see as we kind of pull over here. Yeah, it looks like they got some damage, but they're getting some help here. Yeah, Big Lots is coming there. National Catastrophe, Nivik is coming in here, and they're helping out, get everything restored.
This shopping center not so bad as the other.
Yeah. This one's not so bad now. But I heard the Taco Bell just
go around back?
Yeah, if you can get through the Taco Bell, yeah. Let's see what that looks like.
Taco Bell will be over here to the right. Oh, it's still standing.
It's still
just
standing. Oh yeah, the sign's all trashed. Engel's signboard got trashed, but yeah, they've got.
So the back of the Brothers.
In the back of Brothers, it looks like it got all tore up too. Can't quite see the damage there in Engel's, but Taco Bell is shut down. It looks like they got plastic all in the front part of their roof. And you can see where it did go through from the top of the mountains, and you can actually see some of the broken trees. Yeah. See it straight through there. Snapped off trees.
We'll come around to the intersection here and see. You can see kind of the angle it cut through because it took the edge of Sherman Williams. Didn't take the whole shopping center. Took that corner.